Welcome to another G-Dubs vlog. This time we're in Iceland. We've got an absolutely insane few days lined up for you. Sit back, relax, let's get stuck in. Bonding looks like.
This is what divorce looks like.
We have been exploring the land of ice and fire the entire week. This vlog is going to do a full 24-hour itinerary of what to get up to in Reykjavik city centre itself. So if you want to do wider field of that, check out the other videos on my channel. In terms of today, we're going to be hitting up the infamous Braud and Co for pastries. We've been there 3 out of 4 days so far, so we know it's going to be an absolute banger. We're going to be going to the local geothermal beach. We're going to be going to the Perlan, the Eni Johnson Museum. We're going to go to the Hallgrimskirkja church. Probably absolutely annihilated that, along with all the other words I've tried to pronounce over the last week. We're going to be going to the famous hot dog stand, the oldest restaurant in Iceland, and of course, there's lots of breweries in between because we absolutely love a beer on this channel. As always, I'll timestamp everything down below, so feel free to skip to whichever section you want. Road to 1,000 subscribers is on. Do your boy a favour, hit that button down below, get me to 1,000 subscribers. Without further ado, get the bats in the bones. Let's get after it. Locked in, Braud and Co breakfast. As I just mentioned, we've been here 3 out of 4 days. This is 5 out of 6. I'm not pretty sure now. Gone for unbelievable croissant number and in the bag of tricks. Pan of chocolate as big as my absolute head. Ridiculously nice in here. They've got signs up that says photography encouraged, which are things you absolutely love to see. And yeah, it's usually about $3.50 for a pastry. Shady, on queue, locking in for a bit of breakfast. But yeah, it's an absolute banger. Just arrived at the local beach. It is Baltic. Hands absolutely frozen. It's 810 krona or whatever it's called to go in. Jump in the sea just here behind us or on this side, and then they've got a little is it jacuzzi? A little hot bit, so I reckon it could be 10 minutes in the 10 seconds in the sea and back in. What do you think? We have got the chairman of the Chili Dippers who's feeling a little bit more adventurous. What do you think?
I'm so looking forward to it. I think I will be in that water at least 5 minutes. It's pretty okay today, she said. 7.7, not bad. I just pop in the hot pool at the end.
7.7 degrees. You're getting 10 seconds maximum. One of the many bad decisions we'll no doubt make in our lifetimes. 7.4 degrees. Chairman of the Chili Dippers. Pissing out whatever we signed up for here.
Tell a difference with your socks.
Cannot feel my feet. The head's gone under. That is enough for G-Dubs. Look at this, just couples bonding. Look at the pink shorts from Kippenberg. Look at these numbers.
I've done some things in my time, but this is probably the worst idea of all. Welcome to Reykjavik. Pissing hell.
Chuck us that shit.
Right, walking slowly.
Ooh. That's...
get them.
Honestly, that's crazy. I can't do it. The sheets are frozen. I can't get in there. Not a chance.
I'll splash if you don't.
See, I'm in my sins have gone.
Just walk. It will go warmer. Walk.
I can't do it, Nina. Honestly, I can't do it. Oh.
No, don't do that. You've got to walk and breathe.
Oh.
Deep breath. Deep breath till your body gets used to it. Deep breath. Again.
I can't do it.
If you go out, you're not getting out.
Seriously,
It'll go warmer.
Oh.
It goes warmer.
No way.
You can't come out now. You cannot come out.
Go on, Shady.
3 deep breaths and then you go straight down.
Go on, Shady.
Oh, my feet have gone.
They will go warmer once you're in the water. They will get you. After 3, shoulders are going to go under. 1, and it goes warmer. You cannot do it. 2.
Oh.
Go on, Shades. Dunk in now. Dunk in.
Jesus.
1, 2,
Not dunking yet.
3.
Go on, Shady.
Oh, Jesus Christ, it's freezing. It's
The longer you take, come on. Go backwards.
Oh,
Come on,
I can't do it. Honestly, it's freezing. It's freezing.
Nah, you've got to get in.
I have got it.
Come on, just have
No,
a go
I
on.
can't do it. My legs have gone.
What do you think?
Go on.
Shady, what do you think?
Fucking really can't. I'm not being funny, no, that is. It's the worst thing. Nina, I am very sorry. I've done it, mate. I've gone in.
You didn't even get in.
I did.
Just try it one more time.
Can't. Too cold.
Stop. It's warm.
I don't want it at all.
Right. 3 deep breaths and go backwards.
I can't feel my legs.
Gareth, you know I've gone.
Just get in.
Okay, this is what couples bonding looks like.
This is what divorce looks like.
3 deep breaths and then I'll count you to 3. Go on.
I don't want to go in.
I said you do, but you're doing it. It's a warm spot here. Yeah. Breathe through it. Breathe through it.
Get to that one bit, mate. Absolutely horrendous. That is horrendous. You know this, yeah.
Would you recommend?
I won't be signing up this year to the chili dippers or the Reykjavik dippers. Not today, not tomorrow, never.
Oh yeah, straight up this side into the nice warm jacuzzi bit. That's where the magic is. The beach has been done. Down the sand, lots of cobbles. Not too spiky, but you know, not too bad. Ice cold, 7.3, 7.4 degrees. Far too cold for me. 10 seconds, head went under. That counts as ticking it off in my box. Now to the bet that this is like having a hot bath, absolutely roasting. So yeah, we'll be enjoying ourselves here and see you very shortly. Next stop on the Reykjavik day tour. It is a very special birthday for a member of the party, and this year, what is it?
60.
The big 60. So I've sorted her out a little surprise. She doesn't know it yet, but we were to a tight schedule because we're about to go up into a helicopter.
Oh, right.
Yeah. So seatbelts at the ready, helicopter and runway right behind us. Angie's going up. Not sure what we're going to see. Very nervous, but hopefully we get some good views. So yeah,
Honestly?
that's why we're on a tight schedule.
Oh my god, I'm so excited. I'm so nervous. Woohoo!
far exceeded expectations. It's not the most budget friendly. I'll include a link to these guys down below, but it is unbelievable. You feel like you're in like a video game or something. The guy's doing like donuts around like the mountain, just flying super close. It's a little bit sketchy at points, but ridiculous experience to anyone that wants to yeah, get a little bit closer to the action. You've got obviously all the hot springs here. He was like, absolutely do not touch the water because it's in the geothermal area, so it'll probably blow your hand off, blow your leg off, but ridiculous so far. Looking forward to the flight back, but yeah, literally anyone that is up for doing something like this, I would 100% recommend it. It's ridiculous. At Blue Lagoon, Ange was told rule number 1, do not put your hair in the water. She put her hair in the water. She's been told here, do not touch the geothermal water. Who knows what is going to happen with her. Just landed in the oldest restaurant in Iceland. I'll whack the name on the screen now. Shuts at 4 o'clock, so we came out the Perlan. We got on the little bike, just zoomed across town to get here 20 past 3. They stopped serving food at 3 o'clock, so we've been second option, little salmon number with an omelette on top. Obviously a little Baejarins to wash it down, but it is looking pretty top drawer, so let's see what it's saying. Actually unbelievable, get a little close up on that. Really good. Gold beer, lager not my first choice, but I'm sure it'll hit the spot. Cheers now. Landed. Beztu Pylsur, that is definitely not how you pronounce the name. Little Icelandic hot dog. This is the signature one apparently. All the trimmings, get a little close up on that, Neens. Onions, onion sauce, hot dog. No vegan options, unfortunately, for Neens. What we're saying, Shade?
Really nice. Should have tried one, Neen.
Every time you watch a vlog, a video on YouTube, people are always trying to be like the fanciest place, most expensive, all this. Iceland's a pretty spenny place, so value for money is key. Reykjavik street food, absolute banger. Been here 3 or 4 times so far. Get a little close up. Fish and chip number, and then this bad boy as well. Seafood soup. All place serious bowl. I'll whack their details down below, but seriously recommend coming here for a little bit more budget friendly option. The nicest people ever downstairs as well. Hallgrimskirkja church? Absolutely not how you say it. Don't let the sunglasses deceive you, it is still Baltic. So we've got a couple of things to note here. We've got the Ida Johnson Museum over that way, to sculptures, and then obviously a lot of people go in the church. I'll try and overlay what it's like inside, but pretty plain church, I'd say in general. It's quite weird though when you go in. One side, when you stand in the middle, it's kind of like both ways. So you have seating facing the front, seating facing the back. So yeah, probably the only thing of note in there. But yeah, pretty flair building. Used to be the tallest building in Iceland until they built the bloody Deloitte Tower. But yeah, back to the beers I reckon for us. What we came here for, Baejarins. unbelievable setup. Craft beer scene in Reykjavik has actually been pretty top draw. This place is 1 minute from our Airbnb, which is ideal, right off the Rainbow Street. Session Brewery, absolute banger. The other place to check out is RVK Brewery. Again, both silly good. Again, have a happy hour as well, which is makes them probably London prices in the happy hour. Naughty bit of kit here. And then if you want to watch the football, we've been frequenting a place called Lebowski. They have about 1 million screens in there. Again, like most places, happy hour is like 4 till 7 p.m. Well, yeah, it works out about £5-6 a pint. If not, it's probably about £9-10, depending on what you've got. But yeah, all pretty top draw. Would recommend. This is the Session IPA. Taste test again. I've had it about 5 times, so I know it's an absolute banger. Unreal. As one of my good friends, Mr. Devon, once told me as a tour guide, don't talk about things you can't see. We mentioned RVK, we had to bring you in here. Super flair gaff. You've got obviously all the brewery and where they do all the brewing on this side. All the t-shirts, all that sort of good stuff as well. The guys at the bar, super nice. So we ordered the normal stout and they accidentally poured the other one, so they just give us double. So we've got a bit of everything going on here. Even wrote the names on the back because they know freshers like me will be forgetting straight away. Always go for the Session IPA, always a crowd favourite. Naughty. This one's top draw. That the Imperial Stout, Ange?
It is.
9%er. And Angie's got a 400ml of that, so do you know what I mean? RIP. It's a powerful bit of kit, that, but very nice. We're getting a few of these down us, see where the night takes us, but from the times we've been in here and from the setup, definitely get yourself down here. Just like that, Reykjavik, city centre. In the city, a little bit outside, completely boxed off. Flair place, don't let the sunglasses and the sun deceive you. It is Baltic, hence the snood and hat combo, zipped up. Shout out Stonesy. On the Rainbow Street now, if you look to the top of the street, that's where the church is. So everything's super walkable. It's probably like 20 minutes from one side to the other. Food wise, you can spend as much or as little as you want here. We've been to a few like fine dining places, one place called Cole, insane. But you can also go to 2 really nice places here. Reykjavik street food, the nicest people ever, seafood soup and just the fish and chips, absolute banger. And then just to the left of that, the fish and chip shop, I'd say a little bit in between, slightly nicer, probably mid-price place, whereas Reykjavik street food is, do you know what I mean, a bit more rustic, but absolutely spot on and pretty, well, extremely reasonable for Reykjavik. But yeah, unbelievable city, would 100% recommend. If you've not checked out my other vlogs on Iceland, check them on my channel below. Road to 1,000 subscribers is on. Hit the button down below. See you in the next one, and remember, the chef's always cooking.